So, well, here's the first take on the index. A strong opening as suggested. The Nifty is up almost about 80 odd points. The Sensex is up about 300 points. So, good opening, decent opening, you'd have to say. The mid-cap index really is the one that's up almost just about flat. And let's see how that one goes.
Well, that's right. In terms of stocks that are moving around from the broader markets, a few of them should come up for you on the screen. CNBC Enterprises, that's opened up with gains of close to around 1% or thereabouts. You have a couple of other notable movers as well. I'm looking at the broader markets, actually. A few stocks that are moving on rather large volumes. Just want to pull some of them up for you on the screen. Let's get in a few of them. You have ITC, obviously, that's the top mover out there. You have South Indian Bank, that's up close to around 2%. On the downside, a few stocks that are seeing a lot of selling pressure. Tourism Finance, big volumes, big underperformers, been getting smacked in the last few days. So keep an eye out on that one. Suzlon, we saw some kind of bottom fishing in yesterday's trading session. But that one, again, is down on very large volume. But Sonia's gone across to the ball. Sonia, tell us more.
So, you were talking about some of these broader market stocks. I thought I'll take it to the large caps as well. So, ITC, let's see how that one's looking this morning. The big overhang is now out of the way. Brokerage upgrades have come through post that stake sale. So, 5.5% higher on ITC, 427 on that stock. Cipla is also in focus. That stock has been having a very strong run lately. Now the company has got the US FDA tentative nod for a hypertension drug. So keep an eye out on Cipla, up 0.5%. You were talking about Shree Cement as well. That company will be buying 5 ready-mix cement concrete plants in Mumbai for 33 crores. So some corporate action over there. Aurobindo Pharma, UGI Pharma has started distribution of aseptic products manufactured at Unit 3. So Aurobindo Pharma is up 2% at the moment. Glenmark in focus as Nirma has completed acquisition of 75% stake in Glenmark Life. Titagarh has been in focus for the last many days after bagging a lot of orders. Once again, it's launched a second 25-ton pull tug for the Indian Navy. So some, positive news flow over there. But the stock is seeing a little bit of profit taking. Macrotech is in focus. The promoters have sold about 50 lakh shares via block deals at 1180 rupees a share. So just keep that on your radar. It's seen a big rally, but today, little bit of profit taking there. Signature Global has launched a new project under the affordable housing policy in Gurugram. So that stock in focus as well. And a couple of other names that you mentioned a while back is what we're looking at. Sterling and Wilson do now down almost about 5%. Shapoorji says that the stake sale reports is factually incorrect. So the company has come out and said, address those stake sale reports. But otherwise on the market, folks, it's not bad actually, the opening. Decent opening, you'd have to say. The Nifty Bank is higher by 120 odd points. But ITC, that's the big one in focus this morning.
ITC indeed is the big one. In terms of market cap addition, it is like adding half of Britannia, half a Godrej Consumer, and nearly all of Marico to its market cap. And if you're still feeling a little iffy out there, that's like 4 Mama Earths added to its market cap in today's trading session itself. But talk about some other stocks as well. BSE is the one that stands out in terms of an up move. It's up around 3% this morning. There was a note coming in from Jefferies as well that the 1% cut to transaction charges made by the NSE would be a periodic exercise by them, and the quantum is smaller. BSE's product pricing and monetization plan of new products will be unaffected by that, and they expect to see an earnings jump of over 2.5 times over the next couple of years. They have a buy rating with a target price of nearly 3,000 on BSE. The other stock which is doing, okay-ish, largely flat right now, is Jubilant Foodworks. That's something that we'll be watching out for. There is a bull and a bear case out there. The bull case is that, there is a positive development that they've had with regards to the movement in Turkey and Bangladesh. But the bear case is that sales for India business itself haven't been growing higher, and there is the risk of that Turkish lira depreciation in that business as well, still holding mildly in the green. A couple of these auto ancillary names are doing well as well. JBM Auto, for instance, is higher. We're seeing decent moves come by on GMR Power as well, is up around 3%.